Hey everybody, it's Jedi Mistress BRG, and I just want to show you quickly how to install Kali Linux into the VirtualBox. So hopefully you've downloaded VirtualBox, and then you need to pick a Kali to install onto that VirtualBox. And remember, the VirtualBox is going to protect your machine. Kali Linux is the operating system that we're going to be using to learn about hacking. So what you need to do is you need to go to Kali and you need to go to Downloads. And you're going to see all these downloads here, but don't pick them. What you need is the download for VirtualBox. So you're going to go here, and then there's going to be two different ones, right? So if you click on this plus sign, Kali Linux for VirtualBox, you can pick one of the two of these. So 64-bit, depending on the computer you have, you might need 64-bit or you might need 32-bit. And you're just going to click on it. It's going to download, and then it's going to save in your downloads file. And what I do is I just move it to my desktop. So you can see it's here on my desktop somewhere. Here it is on my desktop. So I'm going to open up, I just opened up Oracle, which is VirtualBox. And what you want to do is you want to click import. And then you're going to find the file that you created, or that you downloaded rather. So you're going to click on the little chevron next to the folder. I put it on my desktop so I could find it. And you're going to see there's two here. I'm going to take the smaller of the two. I'm going to click open. I'm going to click next. Now, we're going to be deleting this right after, so it doesn't, you're going to look around and stuff, but you're going to be deleting this, so it doesn't really matter where you do it. But on my other machine, I actually put this on an external hard drive that I can burn in the microwave if I need to. I know, it sounds sketchy, but that's how you do it. All right, so I'm going to import. I'm going to agree not to do bad things. And you're going to let it cook for a minute. And now it's going to cook. So while it's cooking, let's just talk about what this is. So Kali Linux was developed for ethical hackers, for people who are doing the work of good. But because it is doing the work of good, it is also the toolkit that people use to do bad things. So as I've said in every other video, and I'm going to say again, I'm going to teach you how to do things ethically. I'm not going to ask you to do anything illegal, and I'm expecting you not to do anything illegal in return. There are all kinds of different products out there that do this. So there's Tails. There are all different kinds of things. I use Kali Linux because that's what I've always used. And I like it. And I know their suite of tools. All right, so now it's cooked. And it's going to ask you, you're going to have the ability to start. But before you do that, because this hangs up on a lot of different computers, you want to click on Settings. And you want to go to Serial Ports, or no, sorry, USB. And you want to uncheck this box and click OK. And now you want to click Start. It's going to cook for a minute. It's going to think about things. And you see how this window is super, super small? You don't want to make the window bigger. Anything that you do on your machine leaves a trace, a cookie, and a way to find you. So if this is the size that it comes up, this is the size that it should stay. Don't make it bigger. The default username and password for Kali Linux is Kali, K-A-L-I, K-A-L-I, and you're going to click Login. And you are in Kali Linux. And you can play around in here and look around and see what's all here. And have a good time checking things out. And we will be back together to learn how to use some of the tools that are in here. All right, so that's it for now. Until next time, behave, stay stealthy.